हाय फ्रेंड्स, AKY बायोटेक के नए वीडियो में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। वेलकम यू ऑल। दिस वीडियो इज अबाउट सम MCQ फ्रॉम द वाइटामिन्स। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने कवर किया था मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स फ्रॉम द वाइटामिन्स एंड इट्स डिफिशियंसी एंड डिजीज। वो सारा हमने कवर किया है। इस पर काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स हमें मिल रहा है। फॉर देट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। और जैसा कि आपको पता है ये MCQ सीरीज चल रही है, तो ये 4 और 5 वीडियो ऑलरेडी चैनल पे है। काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है। अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं, अगर वीडियो नहीं देखा हो तो जाइए उस वीडियो को वॉच करिए, आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन के बारे में। हमने ढेर सारे क्वेश्चन पिकअप किए हैं, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट है, कुछ प्रीवियस ईयर मेनी टाइम पूछे जा चुके हैं। तो आप जाइए, वीडियो का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, या तो आप चैनल विजिट करेंगे वहाँ मिल जाएगा। और इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे 30 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के बारे में। मे बी आगे और भी क्वेश्चन आएंगे फ्रॉम द वाइटामिन्स। ये वाइटामिन्स का पार्ट 1 है। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, वीडियो को लाइक करिए, वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करिए। हाँ, अगर आपका कोई भी डाउट हो, सजेशन है, कमेंट बॉक्स खुला है, आप जाके कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर सकते हैं। हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे आपके सारे कमेंट्स को आंसर करने की।
Hi friends, again welcome to the channel AKY Biotech. I hope you all have seen our previous videos, and in the previous video we discussed about some of the important points related to the topic vitamins which have been asked in the examination. Today we'll discuss the MCQs related to this topic, and without wasting any time, let's start with the video. Number 1. The cause of short-term or acute vitamin A poisoning is due to. So, any guesses from this out of the 4 options? Eating the liver of mule deer or eating the liver of buffalo? Correct answer is D1, eating the liver of a polar bear. So, second question, which of the following is the most essential nutrient for a woman during her initial stages of pregnancy to prevent birth defects? Any guesses from out of the 4 options? So the correct option is folic acid. We all know this thing. Next, which of the following food sources has the highest level of vitamin C? So out of these are the black currants. Next question, which of the following vitamins helps in blood clotting? This is an important question and it has been asked in many of the examinations. Many times it gets repeated. So correct option is vitamin K. Next question, moving on. Which is the leading cause of blindness in children worldwide? So you have 4 options. Out of this, the correct option is vitamin A deficiency. Earlier also we have discussed this, that blindness due to which vitamin is caused, that is due to vitamin A deficiency. 6th number, which of the following vitamin deficiency causes beriberi? In the previous video also we have discussed about this. So it's vitamin B1. Deficiency of this vitamin, it causes the disease beriberi. Who is most likely to develop scurvy? A or vitamin C deficiency? Any guesses? So the correct option is C. This is a long time alcoholic. This is the correct option. He is most likely to develop the scurvy. Next, which of the following vitamin functions as both hormone as well as visual pigment? So the correct option is this one, retinol. Next, which of the following nutrient deficiency causes megaloblastic anemia? So the correct option is this is due to megaloblastic anemia. This is caused due to the deficiency of folic acid. 10th, Which of the following is a fat soluble vitamin? Earlier also, in the previous video, I have discussed about the water soluble vitamins as well as the fat soluble vitamin. So the correct option is vitamin K. Next, which of the following diseases is caused by the deficiency of niacin? So the correct option is Plegra. Next, which of the following vitamins serves as a hormone precursor? Any guesses about? These are the 4 vitamins which have been provided in the option for you. So this is vitamin D. Coming up to the next question. Which of the following is a component of the coenzyme A? So out of this, which is the component of the coenzyme A? The correct option is pantothenic acid. Next, which of the following vitamins is also known as cobalamin? So you have the 4 options over here. Any guesses? So this is vitamin B12. We know this is known as cobalamin, another name for it. 15. Which of the following statements is false? So you have to pick up the false statement about ascorbic acid. So you have the 4 options. We all know it shows antioxidant activity. This is the true. Next, it is a strong reducing agent. So this is also true. Again, a true statement. It can be synthesized in the body. So this is one is the false statement. Next, involved in hydroxylation of pyrrolyl and lysyl residues of collagen. So all these option A, B and D, they are the true statements in case of ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C. So you have to memorize these statements as well, and the false statement is this one. Number 16. Which of the following vitamins has a coenzyme function? So you have either it is A, C or B, which or all the 3. So the correct option is all of the above, that is all the 3, they have the coenzyme function. Next, which of the following food source are the best source of vitamin A? From where we can, out of these are the 4 options. So which provide the best source of vitamin A? So that is the sweet potato. Which of the following is a water soluble vitamin? Earlier we had a question about the fat soluble vitamin. Now you have to choose the water soluble vitamin. So the water soluble vitamin B1, this is also water soluble. Vitamin C, again a water soluble vitamin, and vitamin B2, again a water soluble vitamin. So the correct option is, you'll go for this one, all of the above. Coming up to the next question. Weakness in muscles and increase in fragility of red blood cells, RBCs. This is caused due to the deficiency of first one is the correct option. Without going to the next options, we'll choose the first one, that is the deficiency of vitamin A. Next, which of the following is the scientific name of vitamin K? So any guesses about it? Vitamin K, this is known as the phytonadione. Next, which vitamin is required for vision in dim light? So which one is the correct option? That is obviously this one is the correct option, that is the vitamin A. We have many questions interlinked also. Which vitamin is required for calcium absorption from the small intestine? So that is it vitamin A? No. This is B part is the correct option, that is vitamin D. Moving on to the next. Which vitamin is a major lipid-soluble antioxidant in cell membranes? So the correct option is this one, vitamin E. Next, which vitamin is required for synthesis of blood clotting proteins? Any guesses about it? So this is, you have the four options again. So the correct option is vitamin K. Next, which of the following is not a function of vitamin A? You have to choose the false statement. So 25 number question, we'll proceed one by one. Detection of light in the eye, this is the function of vitamin A. Synthesis of blood clotting proteins, this one is the false option. So activation of vitamin D receptors, again the correct one. Activation of thyroid hormone receptors, again the correct one. And regulation of gene expression and cell differentiation. Rest of the points, kindly learn them because they are the function of the vitamin A, and this B1 is not related to the vitamin A. Next, 26 number, which of the following is closest to the amount of retinol formed from beta carotene? So you have many of the options. In total, you have 5 options. Out of this, the correct option is this one. 0.15 mole retinol per mole beta carotene. This one is the correct one. 27. Which of the following is not a function of vitamin D? You have to pick up the statement which is not the function of vitamin D before selecting any of the, again I am telling it, before selecting any of the options in a hurry. Sometimes we do not read the question fully. So this is the major word. We have to select not. False one. So the correct option is this one itself. This is not the function of vitamin D. Lipid soluble antioxidant in cell membranes. Rest all these are related to vitamin D. I'll read for you in detail. First, that is the fat responses to increase calcium absorption. We know this is also the function of vitamin D with no change in gene expression. Next, slow responses to increase calcium absorption related to changes in gene expression. Regulation of differentiation of adipocytes and regulation of bone turnover. Coming up to the next 28 number. Which of the following will be increased in vitamin K deficiency? So you have again these 5 options, and the correct option is will be increased in case of vitamin K deficiency. So the correct one is the C part, the time for blood to clot. If we have the vitamin K deficiency, so the blood clotting factors, they will not be able to clot, and so the time for clotting of the blood, that will be increased. Hence, because this plays a major role in the blood clotting factors. Number 29. Which of the following will increase in vitamin D deficiency? Any guesses about from this? So correct option is, should I read it for you, all the options? The plasma concentration of prothrombin, the plasma concentration of pre-prothrombin, and here comes the correct one. I can see it. This one is the correct one. That is the C option, the plasma activity of alkaline phosphatase. So this one is also the false one. Which of the following best explains the antioxidant action of vitamin E? So we have these options, and the correct option it forms a stable radical that can be reduced back to active vitamin E by reaction with vitamin C. The first one is the correct option. Rest all you can read it. They are not related to this. This antioxidant action of vitamin E, this itself is explained Well, by the first option.